soda. What do you want to drink?
So I feel like some iced coffee, and I thought I would show you my little money saving hack for iced coffee. Now, I'm not telling you to deny yourself treats when you are out and about shopping or just running errands. I love driving through my favorite cafe or coffee house and getting an iced coffee. But this is something, if you are on a budget, you are single, you are on a fixed income, you are a college student, and you are really trying to budget your food funds and treat funds. Iced coffee average, if you're buying it out, like through a drive-through or at your favorite cafe, it's going to cost you maybe like average $6 to $8. You wanna know how much Cafe Simply Mamá Cooks iced coffee is gonna cost you? Less than 50 cents. It takes a bit of effort, a little bit of an investment on your part. So this hack is going to save you tons of money if you love iced coffee or just coffee in general. Here we go. So here is my secret, which is honestly not a secret for a lot of people. So this box of Korean stick coffee, it comes with 110 sticks. Typically it's 100, but they gave you like 10 more. This box was on sale literally for $10, which is great because typically it costs between like $15, $16, $18. But think about it. You spend less than $20 for this box if you're budgeting, and you have iced coffee or hot coffee whenever you want it, and it's very shelf stable. So I want to show you, we keep stick coffee in my husband's office, and we have a hot water dispenser. Just enough to mix. Water. So while I'm making the coffee, I wanted to break down some prices. This is a great way to save money and to be frugal, especially in times like this with the economy and inflation at an all-time high. So an average price for Korean stick coffee is $16 per box. It comes 100 sticks per box, that's 16 cents per stick, times 2, that's 32 cents for a delicious iced coffee that you can be frugal and save money on all year. Less than 50 cents. So good. Okay, so let me show you how to make lunch for an entire week or dinner using rotisserie chicken and ramen. Depending on the ramen that you purchase, the price does vary, but the cheapest that I found in my area is 30 cents for one ramen pack. Not bad. And also rotisserie chicken, garnish how you like, make it just delicious. And it's such a budget-friendly meal for my college students, my people that are empty nesters, singles, or just anyone trying to budget a meal for your family. This is a good one. So now we're going to meal prep the chicken. So this rotisserie chicken will yield maybe like 1.5 to 2 pounds of shredded chicken. On this particular one, someone already ate the chicken breast, so we're going to divide it around 3 ounces per little baggie to meal prep it. We got 8. Okay. So this is the box that we purchased from Costco on top of the Costco rotisserie chicken. It's a really good Costco hack, I guess. 9 bowls for 12 bucks, around $12. Like I said, packs of ramen are way cheaper. I got my Vietnamese pho bowl, my scallion, and my little baggie of rotisserie chicken that I meal prepped. Those with like these sauces, and I'm putting it all in there. Yeah. So while I wait a couple of minutes for this to be ready, let's go over some prices that might help you and give you a visual. So we have 7 packs of ramen, and the cheapest in my area is 31 cents. And those are 7 packs for 7 days a week. You total that, and that comes out to $2.17. Then you factor in the rotisserie chicken, you portion it out for 7 days a week. On average, it's about $8 at your grocery store. I got mine for $5. Now, what we're going to do is add that, and we get $10.17, and we're going to take the $10.17 and divide that by 7 days a week equals $1.45 per meal each day, whether it's lunch or dinner, a delicious bowl of ramen. So the rotisserie chicken, when it's frozen, you can pop it into the microwave, thaw it, but it does get hot when you're working with like really hot water here. Take a little bowl with the lid. See that? Oh, that's so good. That's why I love these. Is it the Snapdragon bowls? Yep. Rotisserie chicken from Costco plus ramen, whatever garnishes you like. It is such a good meal. Iced coffee and my ramen noodle / pho bowl. Be sure to like and share this video and subscribe, and comment down below with your favorite budget money saving food hacks. See you in the next video. Bye.